Are you ready to test your wellness? Today we will be going through the 10-meter walk test, which measures your walking speed or gait velocity over a short distance. We use this test in the clinic to assess your functional mobility, pattern of walking or your gait, and sense of balance. Your performance also gives us insight into your general health, and we can predict your 5 and 10-year viability. To perform this test, you will need a measuring tape, a stopwatch, you can use your phone, and something to mark the distance of your test. I used 4 cones. Mark 10 total meters. These are the two orange cones at the beginning and the end of the track. You're also going to place a cone at 2 meters and another cone at 8 meters. These are shown by the two yellow cones. You will be timing the time it takes to get from 2 meters to 8 meters. The 2 additional meters at the beginning and the end of the track allow for acceleration and deceleration. Start at cone 1, and as you pass cone 2, start the stopwatch. End your stopwatch when you pass cone 3, but finish at cone 4. It may be helpful for someone else to time you, especially if you have any difficulty with balance. You're going to perform this test at 2 different speeds. First, walk at your comfortable walking pace that you would normally walk in your everyday life, and then walk as fast as you safely can. You can repeat this 2 to 3 times at each speed and then average your times for the most accurate results. You're then going to divide 6 meters by your average speed to determine your walking speed or gait velocity. This table shows the normative gait speeds for healthy individuals from their 20s to their 90s. Please pause the video here to compare your results. This table is how we can predict your 5 and 10-year percent chance of viability if you are age 65 or older. The research behind the 10-meter walk test shows people who can walk faster live longer, which is why we use this test in our clinic. Pause the video here and use your results to find your percentage chance of survival over the next 5 to 10 years. If you want to learn more or schedule an appointment, visit our website at requestphysicaltherapy.com.